Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is February 1st, 2021. I'm back in my normal seat today, so that's a good thing. It's good to be back. We're starting a new workshop called Life in Dystopia. Okay. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to go to your Do Now, and you need to, the Do Now is to look at these pages. Okay, so, page 124 and 125. Read through it, look through it, and you need to make a prediction about what you think this workshop is going to be about. Okay, so you'll start with that. Okay, so once you have done that, let's kind of take a look at this. So life in dystopia. Imagine a world in which you have no choices, where you are forced to conform even when you know it's wrong. Many writers have created such places. Welcome to dystopia. Okay, so the first look, we're going to watch the anchor video today. I'm going to, let's see, I will probably have a separate file with the anchor video because I'm not sure that it will work on this computer. I don't think you'll be able to hear the sound. So I will have a separate video for the anchor video. Okay, and then we've got Worlds Gone Wrong by Jennifer Johnson. We've got The Lottery, okay, informational text, and then a short story, and then a lecture, the biography of a story. Then we've got a novel, The Hunger Games. Okay, so The Hunger Games is kind of this dystopia idea and many of you have probably read it, and you've also probably watched the movie from The Hunger Games. Okay, so good job. So hopefully we can, well, obviously we'll dive into this more. Okay, so writing task, you're going to do an informative essay. Choose 2 characters from The Lottery or The Hunger Games, or 1 from each. Analyze how these characters react to their community's annual traditions. Okay, then we've got a day on the job, career focus. Okay, so anyway, we're going to kind of start pushing through this. I will show you guys the anchor video, but it will probably be a different file for those of you at home. Those of you who are here at school, I'll show you up on the board. So, hey, one more thing I wanted to show you guys for January. Let's go to our independent reading. Look at this, guys. January, 154,790 words. Okay, compared to October, we were at 104,877. We blew it out of the water by 50,000 words. Okay, so great job to everybody who took time. We're gonna celebrate that. We're gonna do something cool during class one of these days. Probably this week at some point. Okay, so we totally shattered our record from before. Let's do it again. Okay, February is a shorter month, but hey, let's at least beat this one in February. Okay, so hopefully you guys are reading some books, and hopefully we can get some good things done. So okay, let's go ahead and pause this video. You'll also have the anchor video to watch. Don't worry about any book work today other than the Do Now, where you make predictions about what you think the workshop will be about. Okay, guys, have a great day. Stay happy and healthy.